And now you're at UM restoring this clapboard mill lathe.
So we're UMaine Capstone. Our project is restoring the clapboard lathe for Leonard's Mills. So it's pretty cool. Just trying to move it to UMaine today, so it was a big project. That thing's heavy. So, but yeah, now we're just checking out the museum.
Yes. Yeah.
With
geez.
Bill Lynch.
Long time ago, 20 plus. So I haven't been in here since there was no roofing or anything like that here. None of this was in here, so it's pretty neat to see it now.
Thank you for the good job.
Oh, thanks.
It was a Widowmaker, is that right?
Yeah, this was out here for a good while, hanging up about 30 feet across these two large pines.
And it came down in the windstorm.
Yeah.
It gives an idea of what we found. Forest, we had many blowdowns, which we took out for lumber, but it's amazing how many pine trees are coming back. Trail where an old bridge collapsed. The Girl Scouts removed it, did a beautiful job. Here's a view of where the bridge used to be. It's a little bit damp, but not too bad. That's the old bridge. And Aaron has made a bypass trail on the side. There was a hermit of Chemo Pond that had a cabin along the nature trail. We're seeing some of the old pots and pans at the site. The hermit had some kind of an old car that he used to ferry people to Chemo Pond with, and we're finding some of the remains right here. And again, we're not too far from the nature trail.
Right there.
And it's great to see the man who's really kept this place going.